Hi friends, welcome to my channel.
My name is Stanley Sebastian. Today I'm going to share a video on how to remove tar from your car's tire. You can use this same technique for removing tar from your bike's tires as well. Last day when I was coming from Fort Kochi to my house, there was road tearing going on. The road was very narrow, so I couldn't manage. I have to drive my car through the tar, and this was the result. I searched it in Google for the best option how to remove the tar. In YouTube, I found people using WD-40, but for me it was not feasible. Then I saw videos of people removing tar from the car's body with petrol. That struck me and I took petrol from my scooter and tried it. So you need petrol and wire brush like this. You can buy wire brush from any hardware shop. Now you need a screwdriver with its end getting inside the tire grips lines. With the screwdriver, gently pull out the tar and small metals which has entered the tire grip lines. You can also use tools like this to remove the tar easily. After cleaning this area, move the car forward and then clean the other side of the tire. I took around 3 hours to clean my front tire. Don't think that it's an easy job. You have to work very hard to make the tire back to its original shape. If you don't clean your tires, it will affect the wheel balancing of the vehicle and the tires will worn out quickly. Also, there won't be much grip on the road as well when we apply brakes. You can see tar spilt on the car body as well. We can remove it easily with petrol and a piece of cotton cloth. Take a little amount of petrol in that cotton cloth and rub it gently on tar-affected areas. You can see that the tar starts vanishing from the car's body. After cleaning the tires with petrol, wash the car and tires with car washing shampoo.